Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price predictions. This is an intraday video, of course, where we saw today in the morning in the daily analysis that we might be in an ending diagonal here. However, this range is very long. Still okay, but I don't like it. Yeah, it's a signal of weakness, and yeah, we might not even get the high one more time because yes, this is very weak signal. Okay, so if we are looking at 1, 2, 3, and then we still have a wave 4 to unfold, and then 5, your wave 5 might be very short. We might not get the fibs, right? Yeah, and we might of course move towards the downside since we have finished anyway. If not, if we dive from now without finishing this ending diagonal, therefore we have to consider that your impulse here is invalid. And that means you have topped here as A, B, and a C. Your wave C is an ending diagonal like this. Yeah, it's a big choppy ending diagonal where you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very typical contracting diagonal. And in that case scenario, you have finished 3 waves down, 3 waves up, yeah, and then you are looking possibly to a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this might be your wave 1 as a contracting diagonal if we took closer on the 5-minute chart. It is very possible that we, well, we are looking at 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Even as an impulse, it works, yeah, not as contracting diagonal, but still, yeah, still questionable, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The contracting diagonal is your wave 1 actually. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished here. 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Small impulse, right? And this tricky wave might be an A, and then B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finished as well as an ending diagonal for a correction, and we might dive deeper, guys. Yeah. So we might start to dive deeper, and that means if we have finished, guys, here, as I said, it has transformed our impulse to a B, and a C as ending diagonal, zigzag, very extended wave, a C, of course, due to the elections and everything, you know, guys. So the scenario might change, okay? We might be in a 3 waves, as I mentioned, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, start to move down and down. And yeah, if you remember that we are still inside the fibs of a wave B as an expanding flat. Here we go. 1.38 for a wave B, which is very likely that it might be a correction here, guys. If this turns up into a correction, big correction, therefore it gives us a answer that we are still in a contracting diagonal that we have started in the beginning. Here we go. This one. That we might be in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then A, B, and a C for a wave 2. And in that case scenario, of course, you're gonna seek for massive wave 3 towards the upside. Okay, and that because we did not finish this impulse. This is the problem. We need to finish this impulse. Okay, so otherwise we are in this scenario. Okay, there is no double or triple 1, 2s even. Okay, if we get this right now, this is an answer. Okay, for your wave 2 in a diagonal. Otherwise, we need still to take the high. If we still take the high, let me just zoom in fast here. If we still take the high, okay, for a wave 5 after, which is a little bit low possibility now, because looking at this, at this contracting diagonal right now, okay, sorry, it should be here, 3, and then let's say we take the bottom here, 4, and then 5. Well, it can still be, but this took a lot of time, right? This took a lot of time, so it starts to reduce the possibility. Okay, if we look at the wave 2, we look at the wave 4, we're losing momentum, right? We are losing momentum, and therefore, in case it finishes, it moves up again in a zigzag or in an impulse, one of these scenarios. Therefore, I consider a finished impulse again. And in that case scenario, we come back to 1112s. Okay, guys, so here are some answers for our scenarios in the morning. Okay, here are the answers now. So we're gonna watch and see. However, this is anyway a signal of weakness. We take the high, we're gonna move down anyway. If we don't, we're gonna move down anyway. Okay, so this is a recap now and some answers that it might unfold for the next scenario. Yeah, in case we take the high, we're gonna see a wave 2 here, short wave 2, then move up again. If we don't take the high again, it's gonna be a very long wave 2, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes. See you in the next one. Bye bye.